Hello friends, myself Rajesh and you are watching Excel Infinity. To watch this video in Hindi, visit our Hindi channel Excel Eternal. The link is available in the description below. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to cover selection of range in Excel. A range is collection of two or more cells. While working in Excel, you use cells to update some data or for formatting. When you use the cells, we call it used range. The cells I have selected on the screen now is one such used range, and we also call it contiguous range as there is no blank cells in between. While working in Excel, you need to select such ranges for applying formula or for formatting or for applying filter or for sorting. So we will discuss how to select such ranges when it is contiguous or when it is non-contiguous. If you delete some cells or value in some cells are missing, we call it non-contiguous range, like this. Let's start with contiguous range first. To select contiguous range, go to any cell and press Ctrl Shift and asterisk button. Excel will select complete range for you. We also call it current region. If you need to select a particular column or row, go to first cell and then press direction arrow. In this case, we need to go down, press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. If you need to select from last cell to first cell, press Ctrl Shift and up arrow. For select row from left to right, press Ctrl Shift right arrow, and to select the row from right to left, press Ctrl Shift and left arrow. I have also compiled one table covering all these commands. Two commands are extra here. Shift plus spacebar, we use it to select the complete row, and Control plus spacebar, if you apply this, Excel will select complete column for you, like this. Let us try to select non-contiguous range. Here, if we try to select complete non-contiguous range appearing on your screen by pressing Ctrl Shift and asterisk, it will not select the complete range because due to this blank rows in between. The trick is to select complete range, go to very first cell and then press Ctrl Shift and end button. When you press end button, Excel select range up to last cell of the used range. Here your used range is up to this cell, so Excel selected this complete range for you. If you select this cell and press Ctrl Shift and end button, Excel will select this much range only. You can use this trick for contiguous range as well, and also for selecting column in non-contiguous range. If we try to use Ctrl Shift and down arrow we have used while selecting contiguous range column, here it is easy because data set is very small. But what if your data is spread in thousands of rows and the column you need to select having more than 100 blank cells? It will be very cumbersome to select column by pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow. In such cases, you can press Ctrl Shift and end button first and then press Shift and left arrow to select a particular column. If your column is nearer to first column of your used range, you may press Ctrl Shift and end first, then Ctrl Shift and left arrow. Excel will go up to first column, then press shift and right arrow. This way you can select your desired column in non-contiguous range. But what if we need to select a blank range like this? If you press Ctrl Shift and down arrow, it will go up to last row of Excel. So the trick is, go to first row and then press F8. Extend selection will appear on your status bar. Then go to last cell up to which you want to select. Excel will select the range, but don't forget to press F8 again to remove extend selection from status bar. F8 trick you can use in contiguous as well as on non-contiguous range also. Press F8, then go to last cell, then again press F8 to remove extend selection from status bar. Hope it will help. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button. If you want me to cover any specific topic or have any doubt, query regarding the video, do let me know in the comment section. For more Excel tips and tricks, please visit my blog jupitersolutions.in, for which link is mentioned in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. For more videos, stay tuned.